In this video today, I will review my first CarPlay AI Box USB adapter that works in BMW cars. All the CarPlay adapters that I have reviewed on my channel so far work in cars other than BMWs. That's because majority of the CarPlay adapters available in the market are not compatible with BMW system. But this Linkifun L8 adapter is one of the very few brands that are made especially for BMW cars. This compact USB adapter runs on the Android system and it will convert the screen of your BMW into a smart TV or a tablet, allowing you to install apps like YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, navigation, live TV and many more apps directly from the Play Store onto the screen of your BMW. Just keep in mind that this Linkifun L8 adapter is compatible with BMW cars with ID 6, 7, 8 and 8.5 systems only. You can connect this device to internet by either inserting a SIM card or connecting it with your mobile's hotspot. In the coming days, I will be reviewing a few other CarPlay adapters that are especially made for the BMW cars. So please subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so you get notified when I upload those videos. Now let's do a quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box, and then I will take it to my BMW and show you the different functions and features of this new Linkifun L8 CarPlay AI Box USB adapter. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so this is all we get inside this box. So you get two cables. These are the cables that you need to connect the device with the USB plug in your car. So you have a type C to type A cable. Now this type C connection actually connects with the device, and then this USB type A connects with the USB plug in your car. And then you also have a type C to type C. So depending on the connection in your car, you might need to use the appropriate one, but you just need to use one of these cables depending on the connection. So, and then you have this Linkifun A1 Mini CarPlay AI Box Adapter. Now I can tell you it looks very nice, very different to some of the other devices I've tested. It's got this metallic top, and this is the LED indicator. So when you connect this, switch it on, this is where the light comes up, and then this is the top of it. It's a nice finishing. It's a standard squarish design and most of it is plastic. That's why it's not very heavy. It's a compact device, compact design. So in terms of the connections, you have a connection for the type C here. This is the type C connection where you actually connect the cable that connects with the USB in your car, and then on the other side you have two slots, one for the TF card or the micro SD card, and I've already inserted one, and then you can also insert a SIM card. So this is the tray that takes the SIM card. And then you'll find some spacing all over this device for air ventilation so that the chip doesn't heat up. At the back you've got this nice texture design. So all in all, nice design, especially this top looks quite nice, this silver finishing. So now let me take this out to my car, connect it, and then we start testing the different functions and features of this new Linkifun CarPlay AI Box Adapter. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I'm in my Z4 BMW and I've got this Linkifun L8 adapter with me. Now what I'll do is basically connect this adapter with the USB plug in this car, and then at the same time I would like to see how long does this adapter take to start. So I've got my stopwatch ready with me. So now let me connect this with the USB adapter. Alright, so now let's start the timer. Alright, so it takes about 56 seconds for this device to connect with the system and then get to the main home page or the Android system page of this device. Now, this time can be different in different BMW models depending on the system and the speed of the system itself. In some of the cars, it will be much quicker. This is a slightly older BMW model, so the system is not as fast. So it takes for a bit of a time for the system to first recognize this device, and then for this device to start up and get to this landing page. So 56 seconds is the startup time on this device. Alright, so this is the main homepage or the landing page of the Android operating system on this Linkifun device. As you can see, it's very nice. I really like the color combination. It looks very similar to the CarPlay interface. So let me give you a quick overview, a quick tour of the landscape and the user interface. So basically, you've got the car with the speed indicator, and you can obviously change this layout if you want. And then you've got media, and then you've got the navigation. Right at the bottom, this is the home page. This is voice assistant, so you can actually use this device through voice commands. And then you have space to add 6 favorite applications. So you can simply long press any of these and change it if you want. I've already added just a few of them. And at the bottom right, you get to see the connectivity of this device, either Bluetooth, internet, Wi-Fi, and the location. And then if you swipe this to the right side, you get to see the CPU cores and the performance, and the internal storage space as well. And if you swipe this to the left, you get to see all the different applications that are pre-installed on this device. Now all these are pre-installed, but you can obviously go to the Play Store or to the APK Pure website or any of the APK stores to install more applications if you want. This device comes with a lot of internal storage, so you don't have to worry about downloading heavy applications on this device. So these are all the different applications that are pre-installed on this device. There you go. So very nice looking interface, I must say. It's very easy to use. It's quite, the color combinations are quite good as well. You don't really have to be a tech savvy to operate this device. And the other nice thing is, the response rate of the touchscreen is really, really good. There is absolutely no lag. Alright, so before we start testing the different applications on this device, we have to actually connect this device to internet. And that's important for applications like YouTube, Netflix, or any other apps that require internet connectivity. But for example, if you want to use the offline navigation, or if you want to watch some of the videos or any media that is on the SD card, then you don't actually have to connect this to internet. So you can connect this device to internet in 2 ways. You can either insert a SIM card onto the device. There is a SIM card slot on the device, or you can connect this with the mobile hotspot. So what we'll do is actually connect it with the mobile hotspot. So what we need to do is actually go to the settings and long press the Wi-Fi. It will take us to this page, and then we connect to the mobile hotspot. There you go. So now the device is connected to the mobile hotspot. There you go, and you can see it's connected. Alright, so now the device is connected to internet. So the first app that I would like to test is YouTube. There you go. And as you can see, it's quite quick to load, and when you move up, all the thumbnails get uploaded quite quickly. There's absolutely no lag. And that's all good. Now let's play one of the videos. There you go. So the other nice thing is, now because this device is connected to the system of my car, I can actually use the steering wheel control to operate this device. As you can see, I'm bringing down the volume from the steering wheel buttons, and I can increase that too. And the other option is that I can actually change the output resolution on this screen for a YouTube app. Depending on the size of your screen in the car, you can change that. This is running on 480p, but you can increase this to much higher rates. So all the way up to 1080p, you can change that. I don't actually recommend using 1080p on small car screens. The best I would say is 720, because this will give you very nice clarity without actually overloading your internet connection or the device processor. As you can see now, this is running at 720p, and it's very, very nice, very clear, and absolutely smooth. There is no lag, no buffering, and the colors, the clarity is very nice. And you can double click to skip scenes, and it's very quick to skip scenes as well. Here you go. Alright, so now let's test the navigation app on this device. Now, you can install different applications as per your liking, as per your convenience. I generally use the Waze app. I like it, but you can use the Google Maps. There's the Maps app also available on this device. There you go. So you can use the Maps app if you want. If you want, you can install the Yango Maps as well. That's also a nice one. I generally use the Waze app. As you can see, it's quite quick to load. Let's pick up a location. All right, so very quick in terms of loading content on this device. So the internet connection is good, but the processor speed on this device is also quite nice.
Let's take D63 Ohm Sukim Street.
All right, so I actually don't have a GPS connection right now. I'm inside, and that's why I'm not getting the connection. But once I take it out, I will get that connection. But you can see, navigation seems to be working quite nicely. At least it's showing me the route. All right, so there is another very nice feature on this device called the split screen feature. Now this feature allows you to have two apps running side by side at the same time. So we've got navigation. Let's click on the mini. This is the mini floating menu, which is very, very helpful. So click on this split screen, and then we get this option. We have split screen here, and now navigation is on the left side, and now we can pick up another app to run on the right side, and we can do that with, let's say, YouTube. So you can have navigation running on the left side, so the driver can focus on the navigation while passengers can watch something on YouTube. They can have Spotify or other apps running on the right side. And I can tell you, this is a very, very handy feature. Alright, so the other thing I would like to test on this device is I've got my SD card installed in this device, and I would like to play some video files that I've saved. So we can go to the video player or the file explorer. I've got to TF card. I've got some videos here. These are all the different sample videos I've got. Let's play one of the full HD 60 FPS videos. There you go. Let's increase the volume. Okay, let's try to skip scenes. Okay, so very quick to skip scenes. The other thing you need to keep in mind is that it depends on the screen or the aspect ratio of your screen. So in this particular screen, because it's a flat wide screen, the videos we're playing are the standard aspect ratio, so you won't have it spread all the way to the sides of the screen. But when I was playing something on the YouTube, I was playing a widescreen video, and it will actually playing on the entire screen. So full HD playing on this device through the SD memory card works very nice, and I can see it's so clear, it's so nice. The colors are nice, it's very smooth, it doesn't buffer, doesn't lag, doesn't drop any frames, and very quick to skip scenes as well. Alright, so the next app that I would like to test on this is one of my favorite apps, which is the Live TV app. Now you can actually go and install the Live TV app, which is called the IPTV Smartest Pro app, but you will actually need to use your own account details to play Live TV. And if you want any details around how to do that, just drop me a message in the comment section below, or just directly WhatsApp me. So Live TV is a wonderful app to have in the car, especially if you want to kill time while you're in the parking or waiting for someone. But please do not watch any video content while you're driving. So let's go to this IPTV Smartest Pro app. Now this, as I said earlier, this app is free to download, but you would need to have your own account details to play the content. So let's play some video Live TV channels just to see if it is working on this car. There you go. So Live TV is working nicely in this car, and the nice thing is it's very, very quick to load channels as well. And as you can see, the clarity, the quality we're getting is very nice. Now let's try to skip channels to see how long does it take. Alright, so it doesn't take long to skip channels as well. There you go. So the Live TV is working quite nicely, quite happy with the quality, quite happy with the interface and the speed of the device. But then again, you've got so many other applications, and I can't test them all in this video. You've got Disney Plus. If you have the login details, you can log into Disney Plus and watch your content on this screen. I don't have any login details with me. If you have Netflix login details, you can sign in and get to enjoy the Netflix content in the car itself. And then you can go back. Let's go back to the home page, and then obviously you can install things like HBO Max. You've got Stars or My Shahid and so many other applications. You've got Hulu as well. Prime Videos you can install. So basically this is like having a tablet or a smart TV in your car, where you can install different applications through the Play Store or the APK stores and enjoy them in your car. You've got Spotify as well. That's it, friends. This was a very quick review of this Linkifun L8 CarPlay adapter for BMWs. We've tested some of the frequently used and some important applications. I can't test all these apps in the video, but all in all, looks very nice. Quite impressed with the device itself. The speed, you can see the touchscreen response rate is quite good. It doesn't take a long time when you open apps. You can run multiple apps as well. You can have the split screen with 2 apps running side by side. Live TV, Netflix, other applications, everything worked amazingly well. This device comes with built-in GPS system, so you can actually run navigation on this device as well. So all in all, very nice device. If you want to buy this, simply go to the link in the description of the video. It will take you directly to the official Linkifun store, where you can buy this very nice Linkifun L8 CarPlay adapter for BMWs. And don't forget to use the promo code to get some extra discount. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.